My duck has healing powers. Help you out. Make you feel good. You want some?
I'm starving.
What did I tell you? You look like a new man.
係啊。
哇！你睇唔睇到啊？
想死啊！我要殺咗你！我今日要打爆你啊！死硬啊！你認唔到我噶啦，廢柴！我今日一定要打爆你啊！你想咩？想死啊！殺晒佢哋！你認唔到我噶啦，廢柴！哇！嚇撚死我！殺晒佢哋！殺晒佢哋！
Welcome, gentlemen, to Zodiac Island. You all know the rules. Over the next few days, you will compete in a series of battles. Your strength, your skill, and your courage will all be tested. Your audience are the richest and most powerful men in all of Asia. Each has paid $1 million for the privilege of being here. They will wager far more on your performance. Do not disappoint them. You are the best of the best of the best.
This is insane.
No others could survive the challenges that my island will put before you. Even so, only one of you will emerge triumphant. Only one can be champion.
Mr. Shen, I am an admirer.
Thanks.
You helped out my uncle. He has a stall in the North Point Night Market.
No problem.
No. I am in your debt. I hope that I'll be able to repay you one day. In the meantime, I wish you the very best luck. I know you will not need my help to defeat these fools.
Who are you?
Song Fang, from Kowloon. You heard of me?
Nope. Should I have?
Won the Fight Club circuit 5 years running. Hope you like second prize. Ha 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 ha!
So what's your story?
I'm here for the prize. You?
Yeah, same.
Got bills to pay, you know? Used to break legs. This seems a little more fair.
So what's your story?
Carl Chu. You from the mainland?
Grew up in San Francisco.
Really? Hope you brushed up on your fighting, Yankee. This ain't no tournament for amateurs.
Hey, you fighting?
What's it look like, moron?
Hey, what's your problem?
I don't like stupid questions. All stupid people. All son on ye assholes. You score 3 out of 3. I'll kill you right now!
What's your rush?
Why wait for the starting gun?
I'm not happy to kill you in the ring, idiot. You're pathetic. Hey, name's Wei Shen.
Good luck, Wei Shen. Welcome to the qualifying round.
Qualifying?
Get your bets in, gentlemen.
Your man is awful.
You want to double down? You sure? Let's make it an even mission.
I'll double like that.
This is better than a boy anything!
How's your yacht?
227 feet long. Just launched it last month.
Ah, brother, I'm so sorry. Mine is 232. But don't feel too much. I'm sure you're still better than someone. Somewhere.
These fighters are awful!
God, I love the fight!
Bring it on!
How much is he paying you?
What? I'm no hooker. You have no class.
Okay. I'm sorry. No offense. I was just going to offer to double it. But if you're not getting paid...
I love. Baby,
The winner by fire and blood is Wei Shen.
Help! Help! My fingers are slipping! Oh God! Hey!
Welcome to the cliff's edge. The last man standing will move on. And only the last man standing.
Bring it on!
It could be fun.
You gotta learn new moves!
Yes! Hurt him!
My ancestors are laughing at you.
Aggressive.
Oh, nice!
Good deck, pal. You look good. Should be a good match.
At least give them a show!
I like his muscles.
I step on bug tougher than you. Try harder! Fans are gonna be pissed off!
These fighters are awful!
Wei Shen! Your next challenge is on the beach. Good luck, Wei Shen.
Wait! You going to the beach? Have some tea, man! You're going to need it! You'd better drink this tea! You'll be screwed without this tea!
Thanks. What the?
Get him! Your tournament is finished, you piece of shit!
How are you feeling, Shen?
Take him out! Finish him!
打你後跟你開拖啦，笨！打開！一齊打撐佢哋！打咪打啦！你以為我淆底啊？再幫我手啊！你老母啊！打柒你咯！ 快啲幫我！
What was in that tea? God damn you, fool!
想搞事啊，仆街！ 趕住投胎啊！我要殺咗你！
This is the beach fight. Our competitor appears to be having trouble with his balance on the sand. You're not ready for the likes of me. Wait till you see my style. Try that kung fu shit on me! I dare ya! How's your ground game, Shen?
What system do you use?
This isn't mahjong, you idiot. This is toughest guy.
Call me an idiot all you like. You're the one losing.
Come on, make some more funny sounds. We're fighting my way today.
Poisoned, you cheating bastards!
Find a waiter.
Maybe I throw you down there.
Maybe I date Franklin instead of you. How you like it?
Go ahead.
Never ends, does it?
Takes more than that to beat me!
You were always a kid.
Kung Fu didn't train you for this shit, did it?
1,000. So go with Franklin if you want. He'll get both of you in 15 minutes. Or go get me some goddamn ice cream.
Why do you have to be so mean?
With fun.
Come on, Wing Fung Fung. I got more for you. Ain't gonna be no next time for you.
I'll beat all four of you!
Sayonara, Shen. Your winner, Mr. Wei Shen.
What happened to you? Poisoned, huh? Bastards tried that on me too. I wasn't dumb enough to drink it though. You tried, guys never learn. Not supposed to say this, but I think the flowers will help you out. My ama taught me about them years ago. Cure most poisons. Look for them in the rocks along the northern shoreline.
Thanks, thank you. Come on, Wei. Get it together. Come on, damn it. What the? Where the hell?
The three surviving contestants will fight the armies of the island in a battle royale in the sacred Temple of Death. Let the battle begin! What's this?
Wait!
Ah, gentlemen, we have a fourth contestant. It would appear that Mr. Wei Shen has resisted the intervention of some of our gamblers. Best of luck to you, Mr. Shen.
Take that one!
How do you like that?
I can do better in my sleep.
You rat! Very impressive, gentlemen. All of you are worthy. Unfortunately for you, my audience demands that we determine a single winner.
Fuck you, we're not fighting each other.
Yeah, no way!
Oh, I think you are. You see this ceiling? It will continue to drop whether you fight or not. You can stand together and die. It will be most amusing to watch. Or you can fight. When only one of you is left standing, the ceiling will stop.
Son of a bitch!
Asshole.
The roof is dropping!
Those spikes are real! Shit, brothers!
All right, let's do this.
Alright, well, let's agree. The winner kills that fucker.
Agreed.
Agreed! Agreed!
I got no choice! You're not carrying me out of here!
I'm not dying here! Every man for himself!
You sure this is fair? How can my man always be losing? Is this a tournament or a bridge club?
I'm coming for you!
How do you propose to attack me when you're trapped in my arena? Oh, shit!
Payback time!
You are slow!
You have it coming!
You are no match for me! You are a fool to fight me. Sorry, but I must kill you now.
What the hell is that? What kind of idiot style is that?
I am Zhang, master of the drunken style. You are no match for me.
Got a lot of dying to do.
Throw it over your head, Shen.
You won't be weak.
Your evil knows no bounds. If you were a student of mine, I'd disown you. Shen. The best I have ever brought to my island.
I'm glad you're impressed. You can take your happiness with you to the grave.
Oh, wait! You are proud, but you do not want to do that.
I think I do. Good men died in that temple because of you.
Your fans paid more than 10 million US dollars to watch you fight. I made twice that, overseeing their betting on your performance. And twice that again, by betting you'd win the final battle. Kill me, and all that money will rot in a bank account forever. Become my partner, and I will share it with you. $25 million, Wei Shen. A fair price for swallowing your pride, wouldn't you say?
No. Not even close.